welcome once again. What you have to do is find out the areas where you find these difficult. Now I know for me personally, one of the things I find very difficult is remembering whether I'm plussing or taking away. The number of times I start doing the opposite. So even though it's a little line, I have to pay real attention to that. You might be fine with it. And I tend to, there's something else I tend to do. Oh yeah, I forget the whole numbers. Once I've done them, I just leave them behind. So know where you're weak is always a good idea. Let's do a quick common sense look. 7 take away 6 is 1, and yes, we've only got a bit and it's taking away a bigger bit, so it's actually going to be less than 1, isn't it? What we're going to end up with 1 pizza, and then we've got to sort of nibble away at it. Not sure how much, but we're going to end up with less than 1 pizza. Again, in a multiple choice, that might be all you need. So, anything we can reduce? Any tokens? No. Have a quick look. Are there any common sense things we can do? No. Let's on to our whole numbers. So 7 take away 6 is 1. That gives us 1 and 1/8. And we've still got to take away this 2/5. Right. So then we do an improper action. We do need to do an improper action for this one because we've got to nibble into this one here. We can't just take it out of this bit of a fraction here. So we've got to nibble into it. So instead of 1/8, we're going to cut all of this into eighths as well and then add it to that bit. So 1 pizza cut into eighths will be 8 pizzas plus 8 eighths plus this little bit. So that's 9/8. Take away the 2/5. Now, we've got to find a common denominator, something that both our little demons have in common. What will both of these go into? Well done. 40, 40. Put the takeaway in. Multiply the bottom by 8. Multiply the top by 8. Multiply the bottom by 5. Well, that's not very good naught, is it? Watch out for that because it can cost marks. Multiply the bottom by 5, multiply the top by 5. 9 times 5 is 45. So now we've got 45 40ths. Take away 16 40ths. Let's just write it down here. I'm sure you can do it in your heads, but that's how silly mistakes sneak in. 3 take away 1 is 2. So that equals 29 40ths. So we found a common denominator. We've shoved it all together in the trolley. There we are. Now, is there anything we've taken it to the till? Can we unpack it at all? No, because that's less than 1 pizza, isn't it? We can't put them into bunches of whole pizzas. Can we reduce it at all with our tokens to reduce the bill? No. So that's our answer. It's an ugly number, isn't it? It's an ugly number. See you soon.